Okay, so today I'm going to show you guys how to activate the wrist button menu on your Meta Quest 3. So you'll be able to tap your wrist and pull up the menu. Now, in order to activate this, you will need to be on V67 or higher. Now, in order, as long as you are up to that, let's go to settings. You can either click on settings or you can go over here and then go to settings that way. Okay, and then after settings, we're gonna go down to experimental features. Then if we scroll all the way down, this should be here. If you want at least V67 or higher, it should be here. If it's not, it means it's become a permanent feature. But we're going to enable this for now. Go out of here completely. We're going to take off our actual straps. And then we simply just see the button on our wrist now. And then there we go. Button on our wrist. There we go. And the little settings icon. Now I'll admit it's a little buggy at the time, but for the most part it seems to work fine. Button on the wrist. Then press it, and then there we go. That's mostly what you need. And as you see, they do appear here. I actually don't think I have the menu set up, so that might not be its fault. But yeah, as you can see, this works perfectly fine. Let's actually see if it works in a game real quick. I want to test it for you guys. Okay, well, we decided to not go in the game. Instead, I decided to go into the YouTube app. And as you can see, it is working perfectly fine. Yeah, it's working perfectly fine. Let's see. YouTube app home. Well, it's a YouTube app, so of course it's going to work fine. I forgot we could move it like that. But yeah, there we go with that. Yeah, I play Marble Snap on one of my other channels. Feel free to check it out. Yeah, sure. I'm plugging my other channel. So yeah, definitely. And I'm a big Doctor Who fan. Okay, I'm just gonna tell you guys right now. I am a big Doctor Who fan. Okay, more so in the past, getting back there now. Yeah, I'm getting back to Doctor Who these days. But yeah, I'm going to end off here. Let me know, comment section below, have you gotten V60 yet? Actually, let's go ahead and hit the meta button. Okay, I did hit the meta button. I will admit it is a little buggy right now in apps. That's why it's an experimental feature. But yeah, we can use it. It technically worked. It seems to work in some apps, if not most apps. I don't know if it will work in every game because most games you use a controller for. That's why I decided to test it out with YouTube VR. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed the feature. Like I said, as of making this video, it's an experimental feature. But once they figure out all the bugs and kinks and everything, I imagine it will become a permanent feature, much like 120 hertz, so on and so forth. So yeah, let me know if you have this feature, if you've enabled this feature, or you're like, no, this feature is not for me, or I'll wait till it's more refined, let me know, comment section below. And with that said, I will catch you guys in the future. Later.